That was a good test, but with the Sector. Wait, do I have a bunch of units in my... Oh yeah, I do. But what should I test it with? Let's find out, shall we? Okay, let's see. What can I do with this? Ooh, I can use the 01 driver. Nah. What, the Dimmins driver? No. Ooh! I can use the design driver. I got multiple buckles. What can I use? Ah. I'm gonna use this bad boy. The monster buckle. See how this works. Okay, let's do it. Wait. The Gates I-Core. With the monster buckle. I wonder. I should have another... Ah, yes. Punk Jack. He should do well. Alright, let's see if this works. Set. What the hell? I turned into an action figure? That's not what I expected at all. Wait. Where the hell's the belt? Oh, god damn it.